Unfortunately, cameras don't do it justice when you're looking at a storm coming at you. Look at that sky. This is facing north of us. The worst of it is way out here. But look at that. That is some gnarly stuff. Look at that coloring. Just another day in South Texas. Ooh. Let's see if I can get that one more time. You can hear it. It means business. Stay safe out there, everybody. Okay, I'm going to give you a 360 view around my house. These clouds. Like I said, videos and cameras don't do it justice. May 23rd, 2026.